Welcome to our channel. If you are experiencing sound or audio issues while streaming on Prime Video, follow these step-by-step instructions to troubleshoot and resolve the problem. Step 1. Check that your device volume is turned up and not muted. Use the volume buttons on your remote or device to increase the sound level. Step 2. Verify that the Prime Video Player volume is not muted. Look for a speaker icon in the video player controls and ensure it is not crossed out or set to 0. Step 3. Test your audio with other apps or videos to determine if the issue is specific to Prime Video or affects all content on your device. Step 4. Restart the Prime Video app by closing it completely and reopening it. On most devices, you can do this through the Task Manager or by force stopping the app. Step 5. Check your audio output settings on your device. Ensure that the correct audio output is selected, such as TV speakers, soundbar, or headphones. Step 6. Update your Prime Video app to the latest version. Outdated apps may have bugs that cause audio problems. Check your device's app store for available updates. Step 7. Clear the Prime Video app cache or browser cache. For mobile devices, go to Settings and clear app data. For browsers, clear your browsing history and cache. Step 8. Restart your device completely by turning it off, waiting 30 seconds, and turning it back on. This can resolve temporary software glitches affecting audio playback. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.